Good morning, y'all, from beautiful Arizona. Today we're doing a little something different. It's cooling off enough that I can tolerate the sun a little better. If you've watched my past videos, today we're going to hunt with our Equinox 800s. Actually, I used to hunt with the Equinox 600, but I did get one some months ago, and I've only used the 800 one time. So now that it's cooling off, I'm getting back at it, and we basically hunt the area near our house, which we have done before. And there's an old historical building over there from a long time ago, 1800s. It was a bar and a brothel and such. But this is walking distance from our house, basically, over here. And there's an elementary school back over that way and such, and the post office. And of course, I got my Equinox right here going on, tripping over bushes behind me. So I hope to find a cool coin or a relic. I haven't done coin and relic hunting in a while, and I really enjoy it. So hope for something good. Okay, y'all, I just want to show you how to target here. And it's basically 18, 19, and 20, sometimes 17. So let's see what it is, and I'll get back with you. I was sitting there moving the dirt with my pick, and all of a sudden I saw this, and that's the signal I was just showing you. 17, jumping from 17, 18, 19, and I think even 20. I think I have a piece of silverware of some sort. It'd be awesome if it's silver, y'all. Trying to dig around it more gentle, and it'll be awesome if it's in one piece. Trying to gently move some dirt. Let's see what we got. Honey, it's a whole spoon. I think it's silver, maybe. Honey! Sorry, y'all. This might be silver, but I don't know. But even though if it's not silver, that was a nice spoon at one time. Maybe old, I don't know. But it's all in one piece. I'm showing my honey.
Oh.
Is that silver? Can you tell? Does it look old?
Not till we get home and clean up, but it's sure old.
It's old, right?
It looks like it was gold plated or silver plated. I don't know. I don't know. It might be silver.
It's all in one
Awful
piece.
Heavy. Yeah, we'll have to look for a mark on it when we get home.
That's cool.
Nice find.
That's I've never found a whole piece of silverware.
Very cool.
Huh.
Good find.
Cool. On to the next dig. Okay, y'all. I have another target here that's... Let's see. It's 22, 24. It's kind of jumping around. So, let's see what we got. Well, I barely had to move any dirt, and that's what it was. A penny. So, that's my second dig. Well, actually, I just dug up a nail, but y'all didn't see that. But okay, so far a cool old looking spoon and a penny. I got a solid 13 here, I believe. Well, basically, been a pretty solid 13. Hopefully y'all can see that. So let's dig it up. Okay, so that target was basically a 13. I thought maybe it'd be a nickel, but it's looking to be trash as I dig. I was it's gonna be a can lid or something. And yes, it was a piece of trash. So, also, I just show you real quick, there's a lot of, because this, people lived here. Sorry about the shadow. I actually lived here. There was a little house here at one time on this property, little tiny cabins, like, in the area. But, and you will find a lot of this broken pottery and such all over the place. A lot of glass. Lots of glass and broken stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. But okay, on to the next dig. Let me get my shadow out the way, y'all. But right here I've had a signal somewhere. Just kind of jumped around a little. It's kind of all over the place, but I'm gonna dig it up. Get back with y'all. Move some dirt, and I'm gonna guess it's out of the dirt because I go back over my target. I don't hear it in the hole, so I'm guessing it's out the hole, and it should be in that dirt. So let's get the pinpointer out. And I see a coin, I think, right here. It looks like it could be silver. And it is silver!
Huh?
It's silver!
What'd you get?
I got a Liberty?
Oh.
Is that what I've never got this type of coin before. I've only got 2 silver coins in my life.
That's a standing Liberty quarter, honey.
And one of them is a Barber, and one of them was a Mercury. That's the only silver I have until now.
It's amazing how clean they come out of
this is
dirt's dry.
So this is a quarter, right?
Yeah. Standing Liberty quarter. I don't know what the date is. Can you see the date? It should be down by her feet.
Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to look at the date. Oh, I don't have a clue. I can't see a date.
Well, you know I can't.
I honestly, y'all, cannot see a date. And that sucks, though, because I can't see a date.
You almost walked away with that because it was jumpy.
I had been over this target, and it was being jumpy, so I thought it was more trash, because sometimes they are trash.
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, we gotta turn this off. But no, anyways, that's exciting, y'all. Like I said, my 3rd piece of silver, but I can't make out the date. Exciting, at least I got a spoon and a penny and a silver today, so far. Where was it? Okay, y'all, I moved this saguaro right here. This saguaro had fell down a long time ago. It's been here probably a long time. So I scooted it over after I found that silver, what was it, Standing Liberty, honey? Is that what you call it? The coin I just found, honey?
Standing Liberty.
Yeah, so I found a Standing Liberty, y'all just saw. And then I moved the saguaro over, and I have a signal here, somewhere. Where's it at? I lost it. Hold on. Oh, it's right here. So I'm gonna dig it up and we'll see what we got. Be what it was. Some type of wire of some sort. So that's what it was. Okay, well, I kind of had another iffy signal here. I think I have it out the hole. It was just being weird and faint and jumpy. Wait a minute. Well, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if I have it out the hole. Yeah, really weird signal. Let me work at it a little more, and we'll see what we got. I'm not sure. I think I have it out the hole. The machine's been really weird, so I'm going to try with the pinpointer. Which, I don't hear nothing yet. Really strange. I don't know. I don't even see anything. Weird. That's my ring, maybe. I sure as heck don't see nothing. This is a weird one for me, y'all, so let me investigate it some more. Last hole I was just digging ended up being nothing. I don't know what the heck was going on there. But I have a new signal right here. So let's dig this up since that's quite more solid of a signal. Trash. On to the next one. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home after detecting out near the house today. And of course, most everything is trash. As you can see, we sure do dig a lot of these bottle caps. There's so many around. And some can lids, and not sure what that is. Trash, eraser. Thanks a lot. I'm filming, doggies. Quiet. And this, a nail. But anyways, my good finds for the day is this spoon. I'm not sure if it's silver yet. I'm gonna clean it up. But it's still cool, and it does look like it appears to look old. And then I have my first Standing Liberty silver quarter. So now I own 3 pieces of silver. So I'm happy about that. That's pretty cool. And of course I got a 1971 penny. And I found an old button on the ground. So basically that was my finds today. But I'm happy about the silver, and that spoon is really cool to me. And I look a mess because I'm wore out. But it is what it is. It's what you look like after you're working and digging in this hard-ass dirt. And my honey will have to fix that. But yeah, I'm tired. And that's what happens after you dig in all this hard dirt. It's pretty hard here. We haven't had any rain. I don't know. Basically we've had a couple of drizzles, but basically haven't had a good rain since I'm thinking March. And we're now in October. So we could use a little rain, soften that ground up a little bit for digging at least, but yeah. But yeah, it's fine. I hadn't coined a relic on it in a while, so I really enjoyed it today, and I think I will go back out tomorrow. I'm hoping to find some more silver. And Bill actually found silver too. He got, I think 2 pieces, or 3. I think he got 3. So I'm a little jealous. But I found something, so that's cool. But then also, let's say too, that some places are always you always think they're hunted out. But we have hunted that area quite a bit. But there's still stuff there. Unbelievably, still stuff there. So, you know what I'm about to say. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you enjoy these videos. I appreciate that. And have a wonderful day, y'all.